There we go. 1, 2. Welcome back, everybody. Today's just going to be a quick job because we have a wedding to go to this afternoon. So about a week or two ago, we popped another track off the excavator. It does that annoyingly regularly, to be honest. But anyway, so Jason's just looking for. We had to go and buy a special spanner for it because it's just got this really huge nut. So we're going to go help him find that, and then yeah, we'll get the track back on, and then we can get her back to use. So yeah, I better get up there and help. Nice. Taties are growing. Go for it.
Go for it. Okay. This is my UME10P. It's a diesel powered 1-ton excavator, and these things throw their tracks. This one threw its track the other day when I was planting some potatoes, and we've had a bit of rain and I've been slack, so today we're going to try and put it back on. So as you can see, there's the front roller here, where my foot is. The drive is at the back where Jodie's foot is. She's wearing safety boots today, good to see. So what we've got to do is pop this guide here. This is the center guide. It's got to go back on this, so the tyre runs in between there. So to do that, I have to roll this back into the actual track area, whatever this is called, and then this can then go over it easier, and then we move it back out. We have to take this plate off, and inside is a long rod with a bolt on it. You loosen that bolt off and that slides this forward like that. Put the track on and then you slide it back and it's all good to go. So to do that, you need a 13mm spanner socket to take off the side plate. You need an 18mm ring spanner, 18mm ring spanner to loosen the lock nut inside. And then you need to buy one of these. It took me time to find that. That's a 41mm podging kind of spanner to loosen it off. And that should be all you need. And so I know there are experts who can, and I've seen them on YouTube, who use the bucket to nudge the track on. Good on you. I'm not going to try that just yet. I'm not that experienced. I'll go the slow way. I'm hoping this video helps out people who've got the same track issue on theirs. And if not, you'll film me doing something stupid anyway. We're going to start the excavator up, so hopefully these microphones pick up the sound. We're going to use this bucket to lift it up off the ground a little bit, because obviously we want to turn it on, to turn the track to get the track back on. Hopefully that works. We'll try it without taking it apart, but I don't think that'll work, so we'll try it. We'll probably have to go the hard way. It's been sitting a while, so hopefully it starts. A little bit of throttle. Oh, look at that. All right. So as you can see, which one is it? This one, I think. See how that's just come off? Fell right off. How's that? So we'll take this plate off. That somewhere safe so we don't lose it later.
Do you want to, since you're down there, film get right in there and see the bits?
So that's the lock. That's the lock nut there. That's our big spanner. And then this one is the one you use the ratchet on, or the other one, and that'll slide. That'll pull that back there. Right, that's loose. I'm just gonna go and swap this out for an 18mm socket rather than doing this a million times.
And here are the potatoes. What's going on, Eddie?
Pop that on the end. So what I'll do is I'll put the front on. I'll put the front on first and then try the drive one on the back. You do that slow. Almost. All right. Go again. So that's the trick. Put it on the front bit first and use the drive one at the back. So, oh, that's not good when you're still getting over that chest cold.
I know, right?
So you watch that moving up.
Oh, yeah.
And nice and tight. Now once you're done with that, we tighten up that lock nut. We don't want it vibrating loose. We turn it over. Alrighty, so while Jodie's going to get the metal magnet finder, I'll take the excavator out and we've got some work to do tomorrow, but at least it's now ready to go. Got a little bugger down there waiting, eh? Meet me. Alright, let's put that. Hey Odin! How you going?
Alrighty, so that's job done for today. Got the track on, managed to lose a bolt in the grass, no surprise there. We'll get a magnet, we've got a magnet thing to pick stuff up, we'll go to find that after. But yeah, it's back on, so she's in business, ready to be used. I hope my microphone's on. I think it is. So I hope you can hear me over the excavator. But yeah, job done for the day. And stay tuned. I don't know what we're going to do next, but we'll think of something. Bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Oh, bye-bye.
Job done.
Job done. Till tomorrow.